Namaste all. My dear loving students, hope all are doing well. Today we are going to view a topic, a very interesting topic, organic chemistry in class 12. Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of hydrocarbons and organic compounds. You might feel it interesting, isn't it? Some of them would feel nervous to learn organic compounds or study organic reactions, isn't it? There is a beautiful way of learning organic chemistry with music, rhythm, or any of the tune you like. Everyone would have completed the four organic chapters in class 12, isn't it? Haloalkanes and haloarenes, alcohols, phenols, and ethers, aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids, and amines. So many reactions you would have learned. Among them, the main thing includes your name reactions. We have Srinara Public School students doing role play wonderfully. How do they learn organic name reactions? Let us view their role play. Before that, I would like to provide you certain hints in the name reactions. In a class, variety of names will be there, isn't it? What are the names of your own classmates? For example, Shahana, Kailas, Navneet, Rifan, Nasia. So many wonderful names. You like all the names, isn't it? The same manner, organic chemistry name reactions has a variety of names. Aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction, Finkelstein reaction, Schwarz reaction. You feel bored of the class? When we feel boring, what we will do? Somebody can say me? Yes. You will walk. Okay. You will listen to music. Yes, fine. Yes. Even though we don't know to sing, we can listen to music and admire it. Isn't it? Come on, come on. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and on way long. Today's Friday, isn't it? Tomorrow Saturday, next Sunday, you will have a long time to work. Now, the name reactions, aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction. You can make a rhythm, you can sing. Aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction, Finkelstein reaction, Schwarz reaction. Then name some reactions. Yes, Colt's reaction, Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Very nice. Colt's reaction, Riemann-Tiemann reaction, coupling reaction, Oates reaction. So many reactions are there, isn't it? Oates-Fittig, Sandmeyer's, Friedel-Crafts. Bring all the reactions into your mind and write your favorite reaction in a chart, and you can present beautifully as I'm going to present it now. Use their own rhythm of learning. This is something called as art integrated learning associated with experiential learning. Out of your own reflection, you're going to do the role play, you're going to do the rhythm by yourself, helping and supporting your friends to learn better. And avoid tensions. So smile more, score more. You will have doubt regarding how to do the role play, isn't it? Take a A4 sheet and write your favorite reaction as instructed by your teacher or as planned in your groups. For example, Colt's reaction. Write the Colt's reaction very clearly in an A4 sheet or chart paper, and you can see the reaction. Correct it. Then role play starts. I am Colt's reaction. My reactant is phenol. My reagent is sodium hydroxide. And my product is 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, salicylic acid. Colt's reaction, isn't it? Now, into the content. Phenols are converted to salicylic acid. What is the name of the reaction? Colt's reaction, isn't it? In the same manner, phenols are converted to salicylaldehyde. What is the name of the reaction? Riemann-Tiemann reaction, right? Phenols are converted to azobenzene. What's the name of the reaction? Yes, coupling reaction. Shall we have the rhythm? You will like it. Phenols are converted to salicylic acid. Phenols are converted to salicylaldehyde. Phenols are converted to azobenzene in the presence of sodium hydroxide. In any way, the conversions can be asked. Now look at the presentation. You can match the following, the wonderful combination of the reactants, reagents and products. So to learn well, you will have to understand what is the reactant, how the reagent is acting to convert it into a particular product. So whenever you see the conversions, don't worry at all, don't worry at all. Get the reactant, get the reagent. Finally, it leads to a meaningful product. Use your emotional intelligence and the presence of mind to convert one reactant to another product using a favorite reagent. There are so many reagents: potassium permanganate, reducing agents like tin and HCl, palladium in barium sulfate. So many combinations are there. Love all the reagents very well. See the functional groups, how one group is changed into another.
Hi, I'm diazotization reaction. My reactants are primary amines, sodium nitrites and hydrochloric acid, and my product is diazonium salt.
Hi, I'm Rosenman reduction. My reactants are acid chloride and palladium in barium sulfate, and my product is aldehyde.
I am Williamson synthesis. My reactants are alkyl halides and sodium alkoxides. My product is ether.
I am Gatterman-Koch reaction. My reactant is benzene. My reagents are carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride, and my product is benzaldehyde.
I am Hell-Wolhard Zelinsky reaction. My reactants are carboxylic acid, halogen, red phosphorus and water. My product is alpha halocarboxylic acid.
Namaste all, myself Friedel-Crafts alkylation. My reactant is chlorobenzene and chloromethane. My reagent is anhydrous aluminum chloride. My major product is 1-chloro-4-methyl benzene.
My reactant is formaldehyde. My reagent sodium hydroxide. My reactants are sodium formate and methyl alcohol.
I am carbylamine reaction. My reactants are primary amine, chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide, and my product is isocyanate.
Namaste all, myself Friedel-Crafts alkylation. My reactant is chlorobenzene and chloromethane. My reagent is anhydrous aluminum chloride. My major product is 1-chloro-4-methyl benzene.
I am aldol condensation. My reactants are acetaldehyde 2 molecules and dilute sodium hydroxide, and my product is aldol.
Finkelstein reaction. My reactant is alkyl halide. My reagent is sodium iodide in dry acetone, and my product is alkyl iodide.
Hi, I am Sanmaya reaction. My reactant is benzene diazonium chloride. My reagent is CuCl and HCl. My product is chlorobenzene.
I am Woods reaction. My reactant is alkyl halides. My reagent is sodium in dry ether, and my product is a higher alkene.
I am Fitic reaction. My reactants are aryl halide and sodium in dry ether. Product is biphenyl.
Hi, I am Swartz reaction. My reactants are alkyl bromide and dry ether, and my product is alkyl fluoride.
I am Clemenson reaction. My reactant is carbonyl group. My reagent is zinc amalgam, and my product is hydrocarbons.
Hi, I am Cole's reaction. My reactant is phenol and my reagent is sodium hydroxide, and my product is salicylic acid.
I am Woods Fitic reaction. My reactants are alkyl halide, aryl halide, and my product is alkyl aryl.
I am Stephen reduction. My reactants are alkyl cyanide. My reagent is stannous chloride HCl, and my product is aldehydes.
I am Eta reaction. My reactant is toluene. My reagent is bromine chloride, and my product is benzaldehyde.
Hope you would have got an idea regarding the organic chemistry name reactions. So relax well, do the role play, hang these charts or the A4 sheets in your gallery, help each other to present in your online class via Google Meet or any mode of presentations, and study well. So again I repeat, smile more and score more. All the best for your board exams. Thank you and namaste all.